Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video, we will see how to insert records in table in SQL Server. Okay, for that, let's go to our SQL Server Management Studio. In our previous video, we created a sample database and a sample person table, and we also created a columns, and we also created a altered email ID column, and added email ID with the script and with the GUI. If you want to see that videos, please go to my channel in YouTube and you will see them. In this video we will see how to insert our data in our table. Okay, we can use two ways. One is our script and one is through GUI. I'll show you both ways in this video. Let's go and see our script. So this is our script. Let's go and copy it for our reference. Okay, let's go to the script later. First we will use our GUI. Let's use this table and go to design first. Let's see what is. So here we altered in previous video. Let's change it to varchar. Let's say hello nulls and save it. And now just for adding rows or editing rows, just go to the table and right click on it, and you will see edit top 200 rows. Okay, just use that edit option, top 200, and now you have the data. So for this, let's say for person ID I will add 100 and Emmanuel, and do gender you can enter like 1, active, say true, email ID and at g.com. Okay, so we added one record. Just click on the next record. So this data is added. If you want to copy the data, just go and just copy and just use paste and just change remove. And for person ID just say 1. And if you want to change the email ID for the second record and the active, you can say false. Okay, so this is for gender you can just say 2. Now I added 2 records in our table, and this person ID is not an identity, so we have to enter the data. It can be same number for now because we didn't add any constants. We will add that constants in our future videos, in the next videos. So this is how we add records, and we have, if you want to change the data, you can just directly go and change it, and just click on somewhere on the next column, so the data will be saved. When you close this, and if you just say select top 1000, and you will see the data here. Okay, all the data which we added. If you want to edit, use edit option, and you will see the edit window, edit tab. So you can just edit something. Say, let's say I will say gmail.com and click on the next row and just go to here and execute the script, and you will see the gmail.com here. So this is how we add with the GUI using GUI. Let me show you how to add our through our script wise. Okay, let's go to our table first. So let me change this to varchar and allow nulls for now. And let me go to the script. So this is the script: insert into table name, values, and blah blah blah, whatever the values you want. Okay, let's see. There are I will show you a different options, but this is the script which we have. So let me copy it to the next new one and use our table name. So how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So six values you have to enter for sure. So let me show you what it will happen if I say just one and just execute it. And the error which you receive, the column number, the supplied values does not match. So this is how this is what we get if you try to enter only one one column data. If there are more than one. Okay, so let's see what we need to enter now. So what I'll just do 100 for personal ID. Okay, emu. So this is varchar field. So let me enter in varchar in a two single quotes and last name. Say Ben and gender. You can say for in our GUI we enter true. Here we can say 0 or 1 like that, or 1, 2, 3. The same thing for active. For email ID you can say this is also varchar, so enter as m@gmail.com. Okay, now it is having like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So just execute it. Simple, it's one row affected. So let's go and open edit it, so you will see the data which we entered through the script. So let's go and enter create and so execute. Before executing, just say 1 and just say ima and change it to menu and emu and just execute it. Before executing, just say 0 false gender 2. So let me execute it. So one row affected, that's cool. Go to the table and execute it and you will see the same data which we used our script. Okay, so and one more way we can enter, like for example we have all null not nulls are profile ID, active and email ID. So let me show you an example. So before this, let's see, this is nullable, so only active and profile ID. So what I show you just before that, if you are trying to enter one column and execute, you are seeing an error saying the number does not match. Okay, let's do one thing. Now you are here I say profile ID. Now if I execute it, so see the data has been saved. So this is the easy way. It's better way, but in our real scenario they use this way. You need to specify the column names and the data, then it will be useful. So let's see, I will use email ID. Let me say 2 comma email ID something hhhh at h.com and select this script and execute. One row affected, no errors, good. See, there is a 2 and the email ID. This is the default active column is default value. It will take false, yeah, unless you keep active. So let's use our active one. Okay, you can use anywhere. You can put this column later and just say 1 is true. So let's go and execute with, let's say 3. Execute and here go. There is a true, same email ID, and there is a new number 3. So it's a very easy way to add data. So for suppose if you want to add more, let's see, just put a comma, and if you want to create, let's say, 4 and 5 and execute, so two rows is affected. So on how many, whatever numbers you have, the data records, just use a comma sub operator, and just click insert. So now we added 1 2 3 4 5. So if I execute, we need to see 7 numbers. See, that's an easy way. Okay, this is the way how we use adding multiple rows, single row, and using column names without using column names, using all the columns, inserting all columns. This is an easy way, right? So better, yeah, better if you practice more and more, you will understand the scripts, and it will be very easy for you guys. Thank you for watching. So in our next video, we'll see how to pull the data from our tables, whichever we entered now. So different types like top and using where class, different operators and everything in our next videos. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.